Hey guys, it's Reggae, so I've got another review video for you. Check this out, a full box. So my friends over at Super Clean sent out a full box of the Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. We're gonna check out a few of these products and see how they clean up. And check this out. Hat, shirt, boom, Super Clean. Thanks a lot for sending these products out for free. Now let's see this product in action. Okay, so let's check out what Super Clean sent out. We've got the aerosol can, foaming, floor absorbent. Super Clean, I guess the regular version in the bottle, and then also the all-wheel cleaner. The new floor absorbent is 4 times better than clay, so that's pretty good for any oil spills or anything that you spill on your driveway. And then it also gives you a chart if you do get the original version, the strength, because it's really strong stuff, 13 alkaline. And other brands and stuff is like around a 9 to a 12. So you obviously need to mix this stuff with water to dilute it a little bit. But I've got a few different ideas on what we can use these on. So let's go. Does it work on a dirty oven? Let's check it out. Okay, so I've got the regular spray bottle here. We're gonna test this out. We're also gonna use the foaming over here in the section over here. And as you can see, yep, it works. You can already see through the glass now. And let it sit. And there we go. Just after probably, I don't know, a couple minutes, this oven door, you can see through to the ground. And it's a lot cleaner. But if you really wanted to do a full detail, you could get it even cleaner, but it wasn't that bad to do with this foaming product. Okay, how about we test out a dirty grill? We'll put the foaming right here. Aerosol right up here. Oh yeah. And let's just do a soft cloth wipe, probably long enough. Let's do a soft cloth wipe. And see how it looks. Looks pretty good. Okay, how about right up here? Wow. Yeah, that even just shines it up. I'm pretty sure that this will work too. So it's not even looking like I even need to use one of these abrasive pads at all either. Shine this baby up. And there we go. After you get it all wiped off, looks pretty good. It was dirty. I don't have a cover right now, so that's why this thing is so dirty. But now, check it out now. It's almost brand new. Okay, let's see how this wheel cleaner works. The all-wheel cleaner. Now what you're supposed to do is clean one wheel at a time. Use cold water. Make sure you are 6 inches away. Super powerful. So we'll clean maybe this wheel right here and maybe this wheel right here. What we're going to do is actually on this tire, we're just going to do a spray on and rinse off and see what happens after it stays on here for a little bit. Let's get the tire coated as well. But we'll let that sit for a second and then we're just going to rinse it off and see what happens. Let's see what happens with just a rinse off. A lot of that dirt, brake dust and everything has been loosened up a lot. So even just taking a soft rag like this and getting every surface will help. Now I would say the tires are pretty clean. They came out pretty clean. Give them a little rub and didn't look too bad. More wrench. So yep, that works pretty good. You can definitely tell how shiny they are. And like I said, I'd probably take the wheel off and clean the inside of the rim just to get all that gunk off as well. But I would say the cleaning action or the kind of the breakdown action of this foam with the dirt, brake dust, and other stuff like that works really well. All right, let's do a little rubbing on here. Get the edge, get all the crevices. Now, as far as washing cars, this would be my standard way to wash a car, with the foam still around while I can use it to rub the surface, as compared to rinsing it off. And that is a clean rim. And as you can see right there, if I can zoom in, and where's the light? Maybe you can see it. You can see it starting to get shiny inside there. Okay, so now I've got some concrete here with some puppy prints on it. And check this out. Even with the hose, it doesn't exactly just rinse off easily. You can still see it there. It's the red clay. It almost looks like rust. So let's test out with, let's see, let's do the regular and the foaming. Put a little of that right there. A little brush action. Try and make a square right here. And you can see it. There's kind of my square right there. Works. As long as I'm out here, I don't actually have any oil spills or gas or diesel or anything. So let's just use it with some water. Here's the new floor absorbent. Okay. Just gonna put some of this out here. Just like that. You would do for an oil spill. And then we'll see if it soaks it up and gets wet, and then we'll just broom it off. So on the back here it says it's 400% more absorbent than clay, environmental friendly, virtually dust free, all natural. Kind of looks like sawdust. But let's see. Yep, it's already working. It's already gotten wet a little bit. You can see it. We'll let that work a little bit more. A little bit of the regular on here with the spray stream here. And as you can see, that is new concrete right there. Okay, back to the floor absorbent. And it looks like it's pretty good. Yep. It's soaked up a lot of that water, and it's all wet now, so all you got to do is sweep it up. And if you have oil or gas, you're going to want to get rid of this in the proper way. But since this is just water, I'm just going to throw it in the garbage. Okay, I want to try one more place, and you know these weather seals, the weather stripping that's on your garage door, they can sometimes get grimy. So let's test out the foaming super clean on this. Let's just use a soft cloth for this one, and check that out. That cleans off really good. Now obviously my garage door is a little dirty, but you can see that it's getting off this rubber stripping. Now let's just put couple more shots here. Brillo pad. And as you can see, just a little bit of rubbing, it comes off, comes clean.
Alright, so that's my demo review for Super Clean. As you can see, there are a ton of uses for these products and they work really well. I think I like the foaming aerosol can pretty good. I've used it on a lot since I shot this video and it seems to really break down grease and dirt. Check out their website and you can see what else they have and what you can clean with their products. Thanks to Super Clean for sending these products out for free. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.